Welcome to this very quick demo video of List Your Links. Here I am inside the members area, and it's a very straightforward to follow course, folks. All you need to do is to watch the welcome video here from me, subscribe to our Elite Tigers Group YouTube channel for some free additional training, and join our exclusive Facebook group. You'll also see a welcome video from my launch partner Kerry Sillett. Then we've got an overview of List Your Links, how everything works. Then we introduce you to the main training section, and then literally you will discover one after another these 10 secret sites where you can add your offers, your links free of charge daily to this unique traffic source that virtually no one online is currently using. We've also got some free squeeze pages that you can use to create your offers and all your bonuses and your upgrades down there. So all in all, folks, it's a very straightforward course to follow. It does exactly what it says on the tin, as you'll find out when we see you in the members area soon with List Your Links.